Okay guys, we just got to the store and I'm putting my flippy floppers on and I'm grabbing my Harry Potter mask.
Do you need help to put it on?
No. I got my mask on.
Hold on.
What? I'm just helping out. Really bright out here. Any birds out there?
What's
I
that?
don't see any birds.
I'll leave the phone in the car, please. Ellie,
Why?
because I asked you to. There's no reason to bring it in. I need your hands because you need them. You don't care?
Medium. Should have bought a large.
Yeah, I guess I should have.
But they fit me, probably.
Maybe they might. Yeah, they got hand sanitizer just inside the door, so make sure that...
Okay. Remember, there was gloves required for all times.
What?
Gloves. Remember when we went in there last time to get an
Yeah.
asteroid?
Well, I should have put some powder or something in them, and then I could have gotten them on without a fight.
Yeah. You could have. But you didn't.
But I didn't, did I?
That? Yeah. Okay. Here. After catching Pokemon, is there any... After catching Pokemon on Pokemon Go, is there any Pokemon out in there?
Small for me.
No. Last time we were here, there was a little bird sitting down there. He looked kind of hurt, so...
You looked hurt, didn't you?
Yeah. We put him into the shade.
Is that mask too big a little bit?
No. It's good.
Staying okay?
And there's some awesome bird cages back there. So we decided we're gonna name it Rain.
I like Rain. I think it's a perfect name for him because of his color.
Cottonwood. I caught the cottonwood! Look.
Ah, you sure did. Well, thank you. You know, you're so sweet to me. I just can't believe it.
I'm gonna trap some cottonwood in there.
I'll have to get some baby powder and put in these gloves so I can get them on because this is ridiculous.
Okay, I'll film when we get back.
Put it under something.
But it blends in perfectly with the seat. Okay, I'll